dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. So here we continue the chapter linear equations in one variable. In that exercise 2.5, next question. Fourth one, x minus 5 divided by 3, which is equals to x minus 3 divided by 5. So now here just do the cross multiplication. Means here 5 is division, if you take to the LHS that will become multiplication, and here 3 is division, if you take to the LHS that will become multiplication. So multiply that 5 into x minus 5, which is equals to 3 into x minus 3. So now multiply 5 into x, 5x minus 5 5s are 25. Next 3 into x, 3x minus 3 3s are 9. Now bring 3x to the LHS and take 25 to the RHS. So 5x minus 3x, which is equals to minus 25 will become plus 25 minus 9. So 5x minus 3x, how much you will get? 2x, which is equals to 25 minus 9, 16. So x is equals to 16 by 2. Therefore x is equals to how much? 2 1s are 2 8s are, means x is equals to 8. So this is the solution of fourth question. Let us the next question. Fifth one. 3t minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3, which is equals to 2 by 3 minus t. So now first make the variables on one side, means bring that minus t to the LHS. 3t minus 2 divided by 3 minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3. So minus t will become plus t, which is equals to 2 by 3. So this one is 4, not 3. 4. Now what is the LCM of 4 and 3? 12. So now here it is 4 3s are, 3 4s are, 1 12s are. So now 3 into bracket 3t minus 2 minus 4 into bracket 2t plus 3. You need to multiply those numbers to the bracket. So keep in bracket those numbers. Plus 12t, which is equals to 2 by 3. Now multiply 3 into 3t, 90 minus 3 2s are 6 minus 4 into 2t minus 8t plus minus into plus minus 4 3s are 12 plus 12t divided by 12, which is equals to 2 by 3. So now, so 90 minus 80, how much you will get? T means 1t minus 6 minus 12, how much you will get? Minus 18 plus 12t divided by 12, which is equals to 2 by 3. So now here t plus 20, how much you will get? 13t minus 18 divided by 12, which is equals to 2 by 3. Now take 12 to the RHS, that will become multiplication. So that is 13t minus 18, which is equals to 2 by 3 into 12. So here now 3 1s are 3 4s. So 13t minus 18, which is equals to 2 into 4, 8. So 13t, which is equals to 8 minus 18 will become plus 18. So 13t, which is equals to 8 plus 18, 26. So t is equals to 26 divided by 13. 13 ones are 13 twos are. Therefore, t is equals to how much? 2. So this is about the fifth question. Let us see next question. Sixth one. m minus 1 by 2 which is equals to 1 minus m minus 2 by 3. So here also first make the variables on one side, means bring minus m minus 2 by 3 to the LHS, that will become plus, means m minus 1 by 2 minus will become plus m minus 2 by 3, which is equals to 1. So now what is the LCM of 2 and 3? 6. So here it is now 1 6 are, 2 3s are, 3 2s are. So m into 6, 6m minus 3 into bracket m minus 1 plus 2 into bracket m minus 2, which is equals to 1. Now 6m minus 3 into m, 3m minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3 plus 2 into m, 2m plus into minus minus 2 twos are 4 divided by or take, which is equals to take 6 to the LHS, that will become multiplication. 1 into 6, what you will get? 6. So now here 6m plus 2m, how much you will get? 8m. 8m minus 3m, 3 minus 4, you will get minus 1, which is equals to 6. So now 8m minus 3m, 5m, which is equals to 6. Take minus 1 to the RHS, that will become plus 1. So 5m, which is equals to 7. Therefore m is equals to how much? 7 by 5. So this is about the solution of sixth question. Now let us see next question. Simplify and solve the following. Someone's question. 3 into bracket t minus 3, which is equals to 5 into bracket 2t plus 1. So simplify that first, means multiply the numbers to the brackets. 3 into t, 3t minus 3 3s are 9. 5 into 2t, 10t plus 5 1s are 5. So now, bring minus 10t to the LHS and take 9 to the RHS. What you will get? 3t minus 10t, which is equals to 5 minus 9 will become plus 9. Therefore 3t minus 10t, how much you will get? Minus 70. One is positive and another one is negative. Subtract and keep the bigger number sign. Bigger number sign is negative. So minus 70. which is equals to 5 plus 9, 14. T is equals to 14 by minus 7. So T is equals to 7 1 the 7 2 the plus into minus minus. So the answer is minus 2. So this is about 7th question. And see next question, 8th one. 15 into y minus 4 minus 2 into y minus 9 plus 5 into y plus 6 is equals to 0. So now simplify means multiply the numbers to the brackets first. 15 into y, 15y minus 15 4 the 16 minus 2 into y minus 2y minus into minus plus 2 9 the 18 plus 5 into y 5y plus 5 6 the 30 which is equals to 0. Now 15y plus 5y, how much will get? 20y. Next minus 2y. Now here alright, minus 60 first. How much will get? C. Minus 60 minus 2y, 18 plus 30. How much will get? 48 which is equals to 0. Now 20y minus 2y, how much will get? 18y minus 60 plus 48. So we will get minus 12 is equals to 0. So 18y which is equals to 0 minus 12 will become plus 12. So 18y which is equals to 0 plus 12, 12. So y is equals to 12 by 18 or 6 2 the 6 3 the means y is equals to 2 by 3. So this is about this question number 8. Now let us see next question. This is the next question. 9th one. 3 into 5z minus 7 minus 2 into 9z minus 11 which is equals to 4 into 8z minus 13 minus 70. So simplify that first. 3 into 5z 15z minus 3 into 7 21 minus 2 into 9z minus 18z minus into minus plus 2 into 11 22. So now which is equals to 4 into 8z 32z minus 4 into 13 52 minus 70. So now here 15z minus 18z, how much you will get? Minus 3z minus 21 plus 22. You will get plus 1 which is equals to 32z. So minus 52 minus 17, how much you will get? Minus 69. So now take minus 3z to the RHS and bring minus 69 to the LHS. 1 plus 69 which is equals to 32z plus 3z. So now 1 plus 69, 70 which is equals to 32 plus 3, 35z. So now 70 divided by 35, which is equals to Z. So 35 1 Z, 35 2 Z. Means Z is equals to how much? 2. So this is about question number 9. So next is 10th question. 0.25 into 4x minus 3, which is equals to 0.05 into bracket 10f minus 9. Simplify that first. 0.25 into 4f. How much you will get? 1f. Minus 0.25 into 3. You will get 0.75. So which is equals to 0.05 into 10f. You will get 0.5f minus 0.05 into 9. We will get that 0.45. So now bring 0.5f to the LHS and take this one to the RHS. So what we will get? 1f minus 0.5f, which is equals to minus 0.75 become plus 0.75 minus 0.45. So 1f minus 0.5f, how much will you get? 0.5f. 1 minus 0.5, we get 0.5, which is equals to 0.75 minus 0.45. How much you will get? 0.30 or 0.3. So therefore, f is equals to 0.3 divided by 0.5. So f is equals to, so if you divide these two, you will get the answer as 0.6. So the answer of f is 0.6. This is about 10th question. And by this, the exercise 2.5 has completed. We'll see the next section of this chapter in the next class. So till then, take care. Bye. Thank you.